Hello everyone, welcome in our website. Our website is about informatics of irrigation system. In this website, we are talking about the information of smart irrigation system. In this website, we are trying to provide information about the photos and videos of irrigation and some infographics about irrigation system. With the help of this website, we are try to provide information of irrigation, and as we know, with the help of irrigation system, we can save 80% of water and also reduce our efforts and gain more crop production. In the home page, in the information section, we written about some definition and other kind of information. In the home page also we upload the two videos. First one is happy story and second one is sad story. In the happy story we are mention about the how the farmer take a suggestion of agriculture engineer and apply the smart irrigation system and get the more crop production. And in the sad story we are mention about one farmer who refused the advice of second farmer and go with traditional method, and due to one mistake he lost his all the crop. So with the help of two videos we are try to understand about importance of irrigation system.
In the gallery page, we upload some image of irrigation system of latest and traditional irrigation system. With the help of image, we can see after the implement of irrigation system, how it look like. Video page is the main page of our website. In this page, we upload some video of irrigation system and all the video are uploaded from the different source. In this page, user can see the video of different types of irrigation video like Arduino, sensor based and drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation system. In this section, we are to provide all types of irrigation system like sensor, Arduino and surface based. I hope you like this video. Infograph is an image section in which user can understand all the things with the help of image. In the infographs, we add some image and it represent the some latest technology. In the each photo of infographs, we add a photo link also so user can see a clean photo of infographs.
In the regarding of section, we mention about our team and also write about our story and explore our process. In the our story section, we mention about how we choose our domain and its problem. In the explore our story section, we mention about the how we can manage source of data from different research paper, blogs and newspaper. In the login page, user can create their profile. With the help of login page, user also get the notification about new video and also user can ask us question about login page. So these all the things about our website, and we are used to apply smart irrigation system in your farm so farmer can get more production in less efforts and also help us to share the information of smart irrigation system. Thank you.